Hello friends, welcome back to my channel NV Times. Today we will discuss about FAQ on HRA. Before starting this video, please like, share and subscribe and keep continue end of the video. So let we start frequently asked questions about HRA. Why do I need to get a receipt from landlord? Your employer needs a proof of rent payment to allow exemption on HRA. The employer is required to collect proofs from you before allowing any exemptions, deductions. This is your employer's responsibility as per the Income Tax Act. Next is, do I need a lease agreement with my landlord? Its answer is yes. You need a lease agreement with your landlord. This agreement must have details of the accommodation on lease, period of lease and rent. This document may also have to be submitted to your employer. Why does my company ask me to submit rent receipt proofs? To allow you exemption on HRA, it is mandatory for the employer to collect proof of rent payment. The employer will give you exemption on HRA based on these rent receipts. Your final tax liability will be calculated accordingly. Your TDS shall be adjusted so you don't have to pay tax on HRA. Next question is, do I need a receipt for every month? Answer is, usually employers need receipts for 3 months or so. Next question, do I need the PAN number of my landlord? If the annual rent paid by you is more than rupees 1 lakh, it is mandatory to obtain PAN of the landlord and report it to the employer to claim HRA exemption. In case the landlord does not have a PAN, you can ask for a declaration to this effect from the landlord with the name and address of the landlord and keep it safely in your records. Next question is, do I need a scanned copy of my landlord's PAN card? Answer is no, you don't need to keep a scanned copy of your landlord's PAN. I was not able to claim HRA from my company. Can I claim it myself? Answer is yes. HRA exemption can be directly claimed in your income tax return. This exempt amount has to be reduced from your total taxable salary. The net amount is shown as your income from salary in your income tax return. In case you claim HRA exemption directly in your tax return, you must maintain rent receipt and lease agreement safely in your records. In case the assessing officer asks for them later. Next question is, I have changed job this year. Should I share my old rent receipt with the new company? Answer is, if your current employer is allowing you HRA exemption from previous job's income, you may be required to submit your old rent receipt. Do remember to disclose your salary from your previous employment to your current employer in Form 12B. Next question is, my landlord is refusing to give me a rent receipt. What can I do? Answer is, in case your landlord does not provide you a rent receipt, you may not be able to claim HR exemption. Do agree with your landlord regarding rent receipts before taking the accommodation on rent. Next question is, I was in a rental apartment for part of the year. Can I claim HRA? Answer is yes. You can claim HRA exemption for the months you were paying rent. Next question is there a deadline for submitting proofs rent receipt to my company? Answer is, since employers need to deduct any deposit TDS timely, They usually provide a deadline by which all tax proofs must be submitted. By submitting your rent receipts and other proofs timely, you can make sure no extra TDS is deducted on your income. However, do not worry if you miss this deadline. You can claim HRA exemption directly in your income tax return. Next question is, do I need HRA? Do I need hard copy of rent receipts or is a soft copy? Okay. Check with your employer about the format in which you have to submit. Thanks for watching. Please, I hope this video helpful for you, your queries. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.